History, Unit 1, Evolution of Humans in Society, Prehistoric Period. Evolution means development of humans and society under prehistoric period. Prehistoric means relating to the period before written record. Human and chimpanzee are common ancestor over 6.5 million years ago. Through this video, you can understand that we came from an ancestor family. Introduction. Students, you know very well that we live in the age of information technology. The mobile phones have literally put the world on our fingertips. This development did not emerge all of a sudden. The foundation of our modern life is the process of cognition among the human ancestor. Cognition means creating knowledge. Prehistoric people were the pioneers of creative knowledge. Origin of the earth and geological ages. The history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. The earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records. Geological is relating to the study of the earth's physical structure. Archaeological is the study of the past by excavation and analysis of its material remain. Biological is relating to the living organism. The fossil bones of the human ancestors are embedded in the earth. Fossil means prehistoric animal or plant that turns into a stone over a period of time because of its chemical and physical processes. Paleoanthropologists and archaeologists are evidence about human ancestor. Paleoanthropologist is the study of the human ancestor by the study of fossil remains. And Australopithecines were the apes from which modern human evolved. They are considered to be the close relatives of the humans. Human inquiries into the past and origin of the world. The age of speculation. Speculation means process of thinking. Humans are the only species on earth concerned with understanding as well as explaining the world. In the course of evolution, humans become conscious and knowledgeable. They turn curious and begin to think and ask questions about nature, organism and the world around them. They worship sun, moon and various natural forces. Scientific foundation of geology, biology and archaeology. I already said the meaning of geology, biology and archaeology. Herodotus is considered as the father of history. The rise of scientific inquiry was possible because of the interest in collection of archaeological remains and the opening of museum. Many museums were opened due to the collection of archaeological remains. The development of ideas of stratigraphy and geology. Stratigraphy means is the study of nature and relationship of rock and soil layers. Biological evolution of Darwin's theory. This theory describes how organisms change over time as a result of changes in heritable physical or behavioral traits. The discovery of human and animal fossils, stone tools, artifacts of early civilization. Artifacts is nothing but an object made by a human being. The ability to decipher early scripts, that means order-wise. Oldest museum. Enigaldi Museum in Mesopotamia, Capitoline Museum in Italy, Ashmolean Museum at Oxford University. Oxford University is the oldest university museum. This picture is fossils. Fossil means prehistoric animal or plant that turns into a stone over a period of time because of chemical and physical processes. Stone Age. the period when stone was mainly used for making implements. Bronze Age, the period when bronze metallurgy developed. Metallurgy means extraction of metal from ores. Iron Age, the period when iron was smelted to produce implements. Prehistory, from Australopithecus through Homo erectus to Homo sapiens. Human evolution and migration, Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture, Neolithic culture. Let me go through under each heading. Human evolution. The chimpanzee, the gorillas and orangutans along with humans are collectively called the great apes. Among them, the chimpanzee is genetically closest to humans. The DNA of a chimpanzee is 98% identical to that of a human being. Human migration. The Great Rift Valley in Africa has many sites that have evidence for the prehistoric period, and many prehistoric sites are found in Eastern Africa. Skeletons of Australopithecus is one of the early species of this tribe, have been found in Africa. Great apes. Hominid. It refers to all the species of modern and extinct great apes, which also includes humans. Hominins. The ancestors to humans were called hominins. It refers to close relatives of human ancestors. Prehistoric culture. Does not have evidence of writing. Fossil bones are classified as various species. Fossil means prehistoric animal or plant that turns into stone over a period of time. I already said what is fossil, okay? It is based on lithic tools. Lithic means stone. So it is stone tools. Classification of prehistoric culture. Lower Paleolithic culture, Middle Paleolithic culture, Upper Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture and Neolithic culture. Let me go through under each heading. Lower Paleolithic culture. It is marked by the human ancestors belonging to the species Homo habilis and Homo erectus. The human ancestors flaked large stone blocks and designed various tools including hand axes. The hand axes tools are called Acheulean tools. Acheulean means it was first recognized at a place called Saint Acheulean in France. Hence they are called Acheulean tools. And not only that, the oldest stone tools are found in Acharampakkam in Tamil Nadu. Middle Paleolithic culture. Changes took place in the lithic technology. Lithic technology is, lith means stone. The methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called lithic technology. The people of this period are called Neanderthals. They buried the dead people systematically. Perhaps they were the first human ancestor to bury the dead. Evidence of Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in Pudupatti, Tanjavur, Ariyalur of Tamil Nadu. Upper Paleolithic cultures. Long blades and burins were produced. Burin is a stone-made chisel with a sharp cutting edge. See the picture there? Stone-made chisel with a sharp cutting edge. Horns and ivory were used for making tools and artwork. Evidences from paintings, clay model sculptures and carvings are available. Mesolithic culture. It is also known as Middle Stone Age. People mainly used microlithic tools. These people were hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts and roots. They made tiny artifacts that were less than 5 cm in size. The tool used are scrapers, lunettes and triangles. Scrapers are tools used for scraping the surface, similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. Lunettes are tools in the shape of a crescent. Triangles are tools in the shape of a triangle. Neolithic culture. This period is the beginning of agricultural and animal domestication. Neolithic age is called the New Age because of the new grinding and polishing techniques used for the tools. Evidence found in the Fertile Crescent region of Mesopotamia. See the map? Dark color portion is the Mesopotamia. It's the Fertile Crescent region. By hunting and gathering, people obtained very limited food, as a result of which only a small number of people could exist in a particular region. Payampalli is a village in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu as evidence for the domestication of animals and cultivation of plants. Iron Age, Megalithic period. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called Iron Age. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people. An exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. They were used shell ornaments as shown in the picture made of carnelian and quartz. Megalithic burial types. The term megalithic is derived from Greek. Megas means great and lithos means stone, that is great stones. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Within this burial, the skeletons or a few bones of a dead persons were placed along with grave goods. Grave goods means or the object placed in the burial along with the physical remains of the death. And menhirs or pillar like stones erected as part of the burials. Burial types. Different types of burial types. Menhirs, kodakal, topikal, patikal. Menhirs are pillar-like stones erected as a part of the burials. Kodakal is the umbrella stone, topikal is the hat stone, and patikal is the wood stone, are found in Kerala. Agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Iron Age and society and polity. The Iron Age society had farming communities and hunter-gatherers. Pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used black and red color to make blackware and redware pottery. Iron technology and metal tools. Weapons such as swords, daggers, chisels, lamps, and tripod stands are also found. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering, and in battles. The megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burial as grave goods.